Good day, Dr. Wan Kyrie. My name is Tan Kin Kiat. Today I will talk about my business idea, which is BookMe. Do you know that nowadays people often using their smartphone, but they are having trouble of having so much booking application inside their phone? For example, if you want to book an hotel, there will be several kind of booking application, which is Trivago or Agoda. So I'll talk about how I get this business idea. During my SIT 3, I was having lunch with my colleague. They are complaining about so many booking applications inside their phone, and they are not very convenient to use one of them. So suddenly there was a light flash through my mind, which is why not making an application which combine all those booking application into one single application. So I quickly wrote down this idea and go back home to talk with my college friends. They think that this might be an awesome business idea, so we start thinking about it and plan for it. So our business type is partnership, which consists of my college friend. Our business idea and plan consists of me, Tan Kin Kiat, David Simon, my friend, Chen Jae-hoon, my friend also, Chi Jia-jin, also my friend, and the last friend is Chin Wai-hong. The BookMe mission is to make people easy in doing booking process by offering price comparison, service offer comparing with rating and feedback of people. Next will be the vision of the BookMe. Vision of the BookMe is to make better everyday life for people, such as for our customers, our co-workers, and also people who partner with us. So I'll talk about the operation plan. The first one will be the production process, backstage. We will provide customer service for our customers. Customer care line is provided for our customer who facing problems or difficulties during visit our application. They can contact us through email or hotline. They also can contact us by going through social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and so on. Second will be, we will keep on improving and maintain our application to receive and update latest information to avoid misunderstanding or mistake of outdated information. Customer data is important for our application because we can collect feedback from them and improve our application. Next will be the front stage. Customer can visit our application through the step provided by our company. For example, if you want to book a car to travel to a destination, you can follow the step provided by our company. First, you can identify what the location you want to go. Second, you can type the name of the location in the search engine, then we will automatically review the nearest car and also recommend the price for the choice. Then you can pay the payment through online or cash. After done the successful payment, you will get the receipt through your email or SMS. Second is quality. To maintain the quality of BookMe service, survey and questionnaire is needed. Survey and questionnaire is an online approach which help us to reach customers' demands and also find out the common issues. Our company often provide latest information for the application when there is a promotion provided from the provider. Next, we also set some colors for each details for our application to make it looks more comfortable and creativity. For example, red color is for promotion or discount. Green color is for recommended price or product. The last one, blue color, will be the current price. This is to attract customers' attention. Now I'll talk about the industrial plan. So this is the picture of the location of BookMe. So first, we will rent a shop as our office database center. The reason why we rent at Kelantan is because we can cooperate with the UMK, University Kelantan Malaysia, to get some talented students to work with us, and also people are easily contact or come to our office. Next will be the layout of the office. Now I'll talk about the product and service. BookMe is a service platform that make people easy in doing booking process by offer people comparing the price and also comparing the service offer with rating and feedback from the customers. Our application can download via Google Play Store or iOS Apple Store. Next, I will talk about the business model of the BookMe. The business model of the BookMe is freemium. So what is freemium? Freemium is things that allow people to access free, but if you want to access more, you need to pay more to become premium. So here is a difference between BookMe and BookMe Plus, which is freemium and premium. So what is the difference? If freemium, people can access freely our application, but with advertising and also the refresh rate of the promotion will slower than the premium, which is BookMe Plus. So I'll talk about the BookMe Plus advantage. BookMe Plus advantage is you can view our application without seeing any advertising, and also the refresh rate you can manually refresh it or automatically refresh in 5 seconds. Besides that, you also can receive exclusive deals and also rewards which premium people cannot enjoy it. So this is the price of the BookMe Plus, 12 ringgit and 99 cents per month or 48 ringgit 88 cents per year. This package of 48 ringgit and 88 cents per year is attractive and also exclusive to attract customers and also compete with other competitors. Now I'll talk about the marketing plan. The first one will be market segmentation. We have segmentation for our customers through demographic segmentation. We will choose age as our main demographic segmentation because of customers' needs and wants. Here we'll show the table of categories age that we targeted by our company as customers. Second, we will see is targeting. Our targeting segmentation will be adults from teenagers and retirees because adult has more income and also they active in booking. The last will be positioning. Our main goal is to make easy life for people. So we're making one single application which combine all of the online booking application into one single application. So now I'll talk about marketing mix. The first one will be price. Option of BookMe is based on comparison. The comparison of BookMe is to allow customers to compare the price among each of the booking applications. This is to help them save their precious time from one by one surveying or comparing. For example, BookMe will arrange the service price from cheapest to highest based on the customer's preference or criteria. Second will be promotion. In promotion, our application will provide some benefits and rewards to the customers to build the relationship between company and the customers. We will cooperate with social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Line, WeChat to allow customers follow our page, and inside our page we will give some quiz or simple games to allow customers to win, and they will get promotion or price such as discount or coupon. Third will be product. Our product is intangible because we provide service to the customer, so it doesn't have a specific tangible product. Our application can download from Google Play Store and iOS Apple Store. Our application purpose is to provide efficiency, convenience, and effectiveness to customer during the booking. Last will be place. Our application is for all users globally. As a startup company, we will focus on Malaysian users because we want to know what kind of service we can provide for the Malaysians, and through this we can gather information from them. Moreover, we can easily gather and improve our effectiveness, reputation, and competitiveness in the local locations. So in the long term, global user will be more confident in our application because our application is well known in Malaysia. Thus, it creates opportunity to our business for us to extend our business to other countries. So now I'll talk about the financial plan of the BookMe. So the first one is budget plan. As you can see at here, this is the diagram of pro forma balance sheet. For the first year, we will have the asset which is fixed asset and current asset. Fixed asset will have furnitures, equipment, and accessories. Current asset will have bank and cash. So total asset will have 148,000 ringgit. So for the owner equity capital, total liability will have 148,000 ringgit. So next we will see is pro forma income sheet at here the diagram. So for the first year, we will get the sales of 6,000 and the advertising 8,000. So total gross profit is 15,000. So next is less expenditure. It will be rent 9,000, utilities 5,000, wages 0, and the last one will be advertising 4,000. Total of the expenditure will be 18,000. So we will get profit and loss. The loss is negative 5,000. So now I'll talk about the forecast. As you can see at here, this is the diagram of the forecast. So why do we need a forecast? The forecast is to allow us to predict future, to avoid uncertainty, and also to attract investors to invest in our company. So let's see the diagram of the forecast. As you can see, the first year we are facing loss, which is 5,000 because we are focusing on getting more users and not revenue. If we can get more users, which means that the users will generate profit for our company. So you can see at the second year, we earn 10,000 and the return on investment will be 4,000. And for the following years will be 20,000 and 40,000. For the return on investment will be 8,000 and 16,000. So now I'll talk about the business risk. The first one will be the operational risk. The possible failure related to the day-to-day operation of the organization, such as the system of the application. So for this case, for our application, customer may fail to receive latest information or fail to booking. Therefore, we will hire professional people to make sure the system run well and also prepare some strategy to prevent this uncertainty. Second is competitive risk. So for now, our BookMe still not have any competitors because it's still new in the Malaysia. But however, we still suffer minimally with service providers that are not excited with us. To prevent this uncertainty, we will keep on improving our competitive advantage to compete with future competitors. Third will be the economic risk. The possibility of condition will affect the sales of the company and also will increase the cost of the company. So for example, if the economic inflation is increased, this will affect the purchasing power of the buyers and also increase the price of the product and the service. So to prevent this uncertainty, our company came up with a solution which is cost leadership method. Cost leadership method is allow us to provide lower price of the service compared with other competitors to attract customers. The last one will be the resource risk. For this case, we need people who have experience and skill in IT field, which is information technology field, to work with us because poor skill or poor experience will affect the performance of the company. Therefore, to solve this problem, we will cooperate with universities to get some talented students to work with us. Besides that, capital is also important for the company to expand in the future and also to grow bigger. Therefore, we will try our best to get more investors to invest in our company. So that's all from me as a wrap. Thank you for watching and have a good day.